I did research into finding out where wildlife vehicle collisions occur, also hotspot analysis. So if you drive with your car on a road, we know at one point in time, at one position, that it's probably more likely or less likely that an accident will occur. So at first I did a lot of data preparation because it was a lot of data. We had it for multiple years and each data was geotagged and with a timestamp. So I had to lose a lot of processing power and therefore I could use the cluster network which we have here to do this calculation and the pre-processing. The output would be that we have for a specific time and geoposition, we have a risk at that point where we can see how likely it is that an accident occurs with a deer or another species. And therefore we can not only give the driver a warning at that point, which is much better than have like a sign there, which is there for the next 20 years and maybe even the deer population already changed, but we can warn really specific at one point, and also in the future we might be able to help cities to build like wildlife bridges or where to put fences to mitigate those risks. I think it's very interesting because we can not only help the environment basically, but we have also a really interesting use case for insurance companies, which is commercially attractive. And also we can, maybe in other countries, if we would transform this project there, we could also help to save endangered species.